In the flatlands of northern Serbia, vineyards, still only a few decades old. The wine that's produced here has quickly conquered the domestic market, and now more growers are looking abroad. This local winery is one of several who see China as a potentially key market. It currently exports around 10% of its wine, and most of that ends up in China. The prospect of a free trade agreement is seen as a cause for optimism.
We expect a lot from it. The free trade agreement would mean that the current tariffs of around 26 to 27% would fall to zero. That would make our products far more competitive, and prices for Chinese consumers would fall by at least 25%.
And it is because of that that the company is already considering expanding its vineyards to boost production capacity. China is Serbia's single largest trade partner. Direct Chinese investments into the Serbian economy has skyrocketed in recent years, while Serbian exports to China have also shot up from just $6 million in 2012 to over 1.3 billion in 2022. The free trade agreement should push that to even higher levels.
All our companies would have the right to sell their products directly to the Chinese market. It's self-explanatory. We'll have access to the largest market on the planet. It increases our economy's attractiveness, opens up the chances for new investments, and opens up a perspective we could only have dreamed about.
However, the agreement would also mean that Serbia's economy would have to change and adapt, diversifying in order to produce a wider range of products. Some critics here say that the FTA would allow China's economic might to simply overwhelm the Serbian economy, which relies on a population of just 6.6 million people. The government in Belgrade rejects those claims, calling them political and biased, while highlighting the fact that it has a very similar type of agreement with the European Union. Aljosa Milenkovic, CGTN, Belgrade.